Hey, what's going on, folks? How's everybody doing today? If you don't know me already, I am Ryan McCrary, CEO and founder of McCrary Financial Solutions and OurBlackApparel.com, OurBlackApparel.com. So I hope everyone's having a great day. It's Friday. I hope you had a productive week, a successful week, and ready to kick back and relax, maybe watch some playoff basketball or spend time with your kids, or you may want to put in overtime in your business, overtime in your dreams and goals. I will say that if you do have dreams and you have goals that you really want to accomplish, that you really want to achieve, think about working those extra hours on the weekend. Thinking about turning that TV off, not watching that playoff basketball game for 3 hours or watching back to back headers for 6 hours. If you shut the TV off and maybe read a book, put time in the business, did something else productive, something that'll give you, get you a lot further in life, that can go a long way. Just a simple shift in your time can go a long way. Time is worth way more than money. But for today, I just want to talk about Netflix. So, of course, we all know Netflix. We probably all have a Netflix account. We probably all like to Netflix and chill and lay up with your girl and watch Netflix. Absolutely, everybody does. But at the same time, I also want us to be cognitive of the opportunities to really cash out and make money, and just make money along with Netflix. You know, a lot of people always talking about Netflix, from a consumer perspective, consuming the content, which is good, but we hear less dialogue about the opportunities of, in Netflix, from an owner standpoint, from an equity shareholder standpoint, from just simply making money because that company's making millions, billions, trillions of dollars. They would be at trillions of dollars. And there's an opportunity for other people to get a piece of that, but we need to have these discussions. So what brought I've talked about Netflix a lot, actually. I've had past videos on it. I always talk about just don't Netflix and chill, Netflix and invest. But what brought it to my attention again is I was reading something about Netflix, and it says it's up 70% this year. Let me repeat that. Let me let that sink in for y'all. Netflix stock is up 70% this year so far. And the first quarter just ended March 31st. So we're only, a little bit away through the second quarter. So this year already, Netflix is up 70%. So I would say if you're not investing in Netflix, you may want to strongly consider investing in Netflix. Now, of course, I have to give the disclaimer again, which I always do. I do not give stock advice. I'm not telling you you definitely should pick it. I'm not telling you you'll definitely make money. I'm not giving stock tips, quotes, performance, anything. I'm not in the position to give you recommendations or stock tips, to give advice. I'm not licensed to, nor do I want to be. I had previous security licenses. They weren't even investment advisor licenses. They were just general securities licenses, but I am not licensed. I do not want to be, so I'm not giving stock advice. But I am bringing it to the attention of just giving general information on what Netflix has been doing and what I personally do. So yes, I am personally invested in Netflix. I bought Netflix probably about 2 years ago. I think it was under $100, something like that. But this is just something that you want to be aware of because investors in Netflix are making a lot of money. So in the beginning of the year, Netflix started at what was it at? 158. I'm sorry. Year to date. I'm sorry. Let me go to year to date. So year to date, Netflix started at the beginning of the year. Netflix started at $201 a share. $201 a share. Now, as of today, last price, last quote is $312 a share. So that's in 4 months, people. 4 months, Netflix is going ham. I think just recently they crossed over 90, I think what was it, 90,000 subscribers, something, 90 million, 90 million subscribers. I think it was on 9 or 100 million subscribers, something crazy. I forget the exact number, but it was crazy. 90, 100 million people paying you $14 a month. That adds up. That adds up. So Netflix this year is up 70%. So what I think about is, okay, income tax shuffle just passed. A lot of people got a lot of money back from income tax. A lot of people's money's gone already for income tax. So what if you would have put 5,000, your $5,000 income tax refund into Netflix once you got it, the beginning of the year or whatever, and you got a 70% return on that money. So what would your account be? So if you put 5,000 in, bought Netflix, you just this year, so just in 4 months, you just put that in. So you would now have $8,500. $8,500 just like that. So let's say you wanted to buy a house and you had 5,000 and said, you know what, you need 8,000. You don't have enough to put it down with closing costs and everything. You need more. You could have put it in a Netflix and got a return on your money and been able to purchase that house right now. It's all about investing in assets, people. It's all about investing in assets. So if you got money back, if you watch this video and you got an income tax return, did you buy any stocks? Did you buy any assets? Did you invest any of that money? Please let me know. Drop a comment in. Let me know. I will come back and like it and answer it and just provide feedback. I just want to know if you're watching this video. Also, if you watch it on replay again, of course, type replay in, so I know you watched it. But let me know if you got an income tax return this year. Did you buy any stocks? Did you invest any money in anything? Stocks, real estate, business, Bitcoin, whatever it is. Did you buy any assets? I hope the answer is yes. I hope the answer is yes. If it's no and you weren't aware, it's never too late. Buy an asset today. Right now, buy an asset. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I want to talk about Netflix. I mean, this is something that needs to get mainstream attention, especially in the African American community, in our community, because we spend so much money in other places. Why not spend a little bit of money on Netflix stock? That's all I'm saying. It's not outlandish. I'm not telling you to completely transform who you are. I'm not telling you not to have fun. I'm not telling you not to spend your money how you want. Absolutely do that. But just take a little bit of money, So, what you spend on a car note is probably more than a share of stock in Netflix. What you spend on a vacation coming up in the summer is probably going to be more than Netflix. What you maybe go to the mall or whatever the case may be is probably going to be more than what you could buy in a share of stock in Netflix. And the thing is, most analysts will say, of course, no one knows, random walk theory. We don't know how a stock will perform in the future. But I'm willing to bet my bottom dollar that the share price is only going to keep going up. So don't think you're buying too high. Honestly, I see Netflix, taking over the world even more. It's so crazy. Disney's trying to keep up with them kind of on the content side, just giving original content direct to consumer, which is a whole other conversation. But I would just say, consider, getting some Netflix stock. Don't just Netflix and chill, Netflix and invest. For more information, just sign up at the McCraryFinancialSchool.com for free. It's totally free. Go to the McCraryFinancialSchool.com. That's the McCraryFinancialSchool.com. But remember, don't just Netflix and chill, Netflix and invest.